Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup. It's a 17JG. Single slide out, bunk beds in the back, queen bed up front. Great new floor plan. Let's take a look. All right, so starting on the outside of the Wolf Pup 17JG, you'll see the nice new quick drop tongue jack. Hand crank it normally or flip it down and you can hook the drill to the top, quickly put the jack up and down, or your traditional crank style. It's a nice new feature without having to worry about a motor. 120-pound LP bottle, battery up front, six-gallon hot water heater, your city and freshwater connection, your outside shower with hot and cold, nice deep slide out, Forest River is also now doing the prep for Solera slide toppers. So it's a nice feature there. They went ahead and supported the mounts behind the wall and got them ready for you so you can order the slide toppers. 30 amp service, all four corner stabilizer jacks, single axle, your pull valves for your black and gray tank. Travel rack on the back holds your spare tire but also drops down and gives you storage ability. Put bikes, grill, cooler, anything like that on that back rack. Easily drop it down. Storage ability in the bumper as well. Leash latch. While you're at the campground, you can hook your pet to the camper, not have to worry about them running off or pulling the tie down out of the ground. Nice new feature, just making sure you disconnect it before you head off down the road. Your bunk area. This bunk folds up out of the way so you got more storage. Nice little extra door there. Power awning. You do have an exhaust vent for your range. A spot outside for your TV. And outside speakers. Your Wolf Pup kitchen. Nice little electric refrigerator. Out here underneath the awning. Step above all the way to the ground entry steps. They fold right up into the camper, nice and clean and neat. Stable steps right down to the ground. Large assist handle. And your large storage up front. Very open and accessible. You are prepped for solar charge. So adding a solar panel here would help trickle charge your batteries. Walking into the 17JG, you'll see the large U-shaped dinette, bed up front, nice countertop space, and your bunks and bathroom in the back. You do have a nice screen door with a cover. Battery disconnect, which is important because of the solar panel on the roof, which I'll show you that as well. That 55 amp converter helps charge and run the refrigerator. which is 10 cubic foot. So 12 volt DC Furrion refrigerator. Two nice sized bunks. You saw from the outside how that bottom one will fold up. And then the bunk up top with lights. Tub surround. And they put a little ability to use that as your sink or your shower in one area. Good room around the toilet and exhaust fan. So small bathroom, but a small camper. U-shaped dinette. Let's take a look at setup and breakdown of that. All right, real quick, the setup and breakdown of the U-shaped dinette. Very simple, basic. Two pedestals. Pull those loose. You've got Velcro tabs on the bottom, Velcro tabs on the lip that goes around this dinette. So the Velcro tabs hold it in place. That's a good way for it to travel also. Put it down, you don't have to worry about it rattling or moving. Pretty easy setup there. You've got cushions on the back that go into place, and then you've got a nice bed. And then for setting it back up, removing the cushions, I like to place the poles in the foot pads first, and then locks in place. So easy setup and breakdown of that U-shaped booth dinette. All right, you also have full length drawers underneath. Your kitchen. Nice new setup utilizing extra space. 2-burner range. So nice new feature there. Doesn't take up the whole counter. And then the flush mount cover on the large stainless steel sink. Storage. And then overhead as well. Microwave, and we mentioned the exhaust vent for the range hood. Your Furrion quick touch stereo system. You can sync your phone to that, get the app. You can control the speakers, zones. You saw the outside speakers. You've got hookups here, HDMI, USB. So nice setup there. We looked in the cabinets, real wood cabinetry. So nice, solid wood. Queen bed up front. You'll see a handle where you can lift. It is on shocks. And you've got your storage area underneath. Solid shades. You saw the outside TV hookup. Here's the inside. So it comes with the other bracket that you would hook on your TV. Mount it here, slides right up, and you can take it outside and hook it outside under the awning. Got all your connections. Storage over the bed. Your 110 receptacle. Furrion lit. So a wireless charging dock for your Bluetooth speaker or light. You can order that through Furrion or your parts department. Let's take a look at that. And then you also can charge your iPhone or Android. And then there's your voltage meter for that solar panel on the roof. Right now I don't have a jump box on it. This is purely running on the battery that Forest River sent us off the solar panel. USB plugs, lights throughout. Showed you the overhead speakers. 13.5 air conditioner. So a nice new floor plan from Cherokee. Their Wolf Pup 17JG single slide out. Nice setup. Guys, I just want to take a minute and thank you for watching the video. Hope I answered all your questions. If not, please send them down below or any comments. Also, please continue to subscribe to my channel, ScottHudginsDoddRV, if you have not yet already. Click down below. We have been family owned and operated since 1956. So we'd love to earn your business. If there's a floor plan that I have not done or you'd like to see, send it in the comments. I'll do my best to get those on for you. And thanks again for watching. ScottHudginsDoddRV.